Hello, my name's Charlotte, and I'm a secretary. I work in an office. I wake up at 6:30. For breakfast, I have toast and a cup of tea. Then, I take a shower, brush my teeth, and get dressed. I take the train to work. I start work at 8:30. At 11 o'clock, I have a break, and at 1 p.m., I have lunch. I finish work at 5 p.m. In the evening, I watch TV and spend time with my boyfriend. He cooks dinner and washes the dishes. On Wednesday evenings, I have a guitar lesson. I go to sleep at midnight. On Sundays, we relax at home or go to a museum or a concert.